Hi everyone, welcome back. Welcome back with the extra Sudokus in the additional of today's newspaper of Monday, March the 1st, 2021. We have here Sudoku with a 1 star, Sudoku with 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars. Also a tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, binary number 1 and a binary number 2, so total of 8 extra Sudokus. I won't do them all the 8 extra Sudokus. Only 4 of them I will solve, and the first one I will solve will be a 3 stars Sudoku, and this will be number 400. Yes, 400. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one, the 3 stars, has 25 printed digits. Alright, I have already counted. Check if I'm wrong or right. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Alright. A lot of 9s. Let's start with a 9. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above. Only 2 places for the 9 should be here. Oh, there we see there 9. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column. 9 in the third column. So the column between the second column. The only 2 places for the 9 should be here. Oh, there we see there 9. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the third and last row. 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 9 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 9. Let me see for another number. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. No. Yeah. 3 in this column. 3 in the column next. No. We already have a 3 there. Yeah, 3 in this row. 3 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column. 3 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here. Oh, there we see there 3. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here. Oh, there we see there 3. No 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 3. All right. 4, yes. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 and a 4 in this row. So no 2 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. We see here also a 4. So no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 and the 4 goes in these 2 boxes. We see here 4. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 5. 8 and 5. I need to mark those numbers. 8 and 5. That means these 2 boxes in this row are the missing numbers are the 1 and the 7. The 1 and the 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 1 goes there. Alright, we have a 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between. The second column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here. Oh, there we see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Alright. 5 in this column, 5 in the first column, so the column between. The second column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 6 in one of these 3 boxes. should be a 6. We see there 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 8. 1 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 1 goes there. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 8 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7. Okay. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row above, the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 9, alright. 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5. Alright. 8, 5, 7. Yeah. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, so no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. So we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. Then. Need to wait. Yeah. 7, 1, 5. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the third row. One of the missing number here in the third row is that number 1. We see here 1, so no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. Alright. 2 numbers left in the third row for the number 7 and 5. 7 and 5. We see here 7 in this big square, so no 7 in this box. The 7 goes in that box. And 1 digit left in the third row for the number 5. Alright. 2 numbers left now in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. Well, 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 5. 8 and 5. Let me mark those because I cannot fill this yet. But look, we have a pair. 8 and 5, 8 and 5. Alright. 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 8 and 4. 8 and 4, 8 and 4. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Means 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. And 7 is missing. In the last column, 5 and 7, 5 and 7. And look, we have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 7. 4 and 7 are missing. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 4. Alright, so we have a 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Now we have a 4 here. So this box cannot be a 4 anymore. This box should be a 4. And this should be an 8. Alright. 2, 6, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. Okay, 2 and 6, 2 and 6. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about those two numbers? 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Let me mark those. 2 and 5. Alright. Here also 8 and 5. So what are these 3 missing numbers? We have here 8 and a 5 as a pair. So the other should be the 2 is missing. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 2, 5, and no, we already have a 5 here in this 8 and 5 as a pair. So the 2, the 8, and the 7. 2, 8, 7. 2, 8, 7 are missing in this column. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be here. The 2 and the sorry, we have an 8 and a 5 here. The 2 and the 6 are missing. 2 and a 6. 2 and a 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 2. Alright, now we have a 2 here. So this box can't be 2 anymore. This box should be a 2, and this should be a 5. Alright. 2 numbers left in this middle row for the numbers 1 and 8. 1 and 8. Can I fill this yet? No, I cannot fill this yet. 1 and 8. This should be also 8 and 5. Alright. 1 number left in the third column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. 2 and 8. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 number left in this first column for the number 8. Now we have a number 8 here, so this box can't be an 8 anymore. This should be a 5. This should be an 8 in this column. Alright. 1 box left in this big square for number 5. Alright, now we have a 5 there, so this can't be 5 anymore. This box should be a 5, and this should be an 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 number left in this row for number 1, and the final number of this big square for the number 6. Alright, finish in 13 minutes for a 3 stars Sudoku. I'm very pleased with the time. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the second Sudoku, a 4 stars Sudoku. I will continue. See you later. Bye bye for now.